Hi, this is Edward Troxel. In this video we are going to write a script that will ask you for a file name. We are going to pick either an image or a video file, and then we are going to add that image or video file to the timeline. As we write this script, you will see that it gets more and more complicated to figure out what is happening where. So in scripts to come over the next few weeks, we are going to expand on this script and change it so that it will use subroutines and then add comments so that we can tell exactly what each section is doing. Let's give it a whirl. We are going to start with the basic test script that we've been using over these last several videos. And the first thing we're going to need to do is to get the file. To do that, let's start by creating an open file dialog. Let's just call it SVD, and we are going to create a new open file dialog. Let's name the title of that dialog to be "Please select an image or video file." Next, we're going to show that dialog. So if svd.showDialog, and we're going to check to see if they clicked on the OK button. So we'll say dialog result.OK. If it equals OK, then we are going to process that file. Otherwise, they did not select anything. And we will put a message that no file was selected. We go down to message box dot show no file was selected. Don't forget our semicolons. Now up here, let's go ahead and throw a message box in, and here we are going to show what would they have selected. Let's do an svd.filename. And that will show us the file that was selected. So if we do a quick save here, we'll go over to Vegas, go to Tools, Scripting, Run Script. Let's select that class 1.cs like we have in the past several videos. And it is now asking us to please select an image or video file. So now we'll just go over to Pictures and pick one of these random images, and it tells us right here the name of the image that we selected. So we know this part is working. Now we need to change this to process that file. Okay, the first thing we need to do is get our video track. So let's have a video track variable, video track. We'll just call that vid track. And we're going to set that to null. Now we're going to look to see if we can find a video track. For each track, my track in my Vegas.project.tracks, and we're going to look to see if we can find a video track. If my track.isVideo, and we need the parentheses there because that is a function call, then we're going to set our vid track equal to, we're going to convert this to a video track, and it will be my track. So we convert my track to a video track and set it equal to vid track. That works if we have a video track. If we don't have a video track, then we have to create one. So let's check to see if vid track is null. Then we haven't found a video track yet. So at that point we need to create a new video track. So we'll create a video track, new track equals new video track. Then we need to add that track to the project. So my Vegas.project.tracks.add, and we're going to add that new track. Then we'll set our vid track equal to that new track. Where are we going to add this video on the timeline? I think if we want to run it multiple times, we can't add them all at the 0, so why don't we just add it at the cursor position, and that way we can move the cursor and then add it wherever we want on the timeline. So let's get the time code of the cursor location, and that will be myvegas.transport.cursor position. Now we have the file name, and we have the track, and we have the location. So now all we need to do is load that video onto that track in that location. Let's get the media first of all. So media, and my media equals new media, and we're going to get it from that file name that we looked at earlier. So that'd be the svd.file name. Then let's check to see if that media actually has video in it. So if my media dot has video, once again we need parentheses there because that's a function call, then we're going to do something. Now let's get the media stream from that media stream, and we'll call that stream equals my media dot streams dot get item by media type, and we're going to look at media type dot video, and we want the first stream. Now let's check to see if we actually found a stream. So if null is not equal to stream, then we found something. So if we found something, let's process it. First thing we want to do is create a new video event, and we'll call that my new video event equals new video event. And in this case we need to tell it where to start and how long it is. So it's going to be cursor location, because we want it to start where we set the cursor, and we want it to go for the length of the stream. So stream.length. Now we need to add that new video event to the tracks. So vidtrack.events.add, and we're going to add my new video event. Now let's create the new take that we will add to the event. Take my new take equals new take, and then we're going to get that from the stream, and then we add the take to the event. So my new video event dot takes dot add, and we're going to add my new take, and that should do it. So let's do a file, save, go back over to Vegas, run this tool again. So scripting, run script, and we're going to run the class1.cs like we did before, and now it's asking us to please select an image or video file. So let's just go over to pictures, and we'll scroll down, find a picture here, click on OK, and now we have this picture added at the cursor location. So now if I move the cursor over here, we can run the script again. Run scripting, run script, select the class 1 again. Once again, it's asking us to please select an image or video file. So let's go to C, vMedia, let's go to this wedding, we'll go to my folder, and then let's look at the gift table. And you will see that we now have a clip on the timeline, full length of the clip, and it started at the cursor position. So as you can see, this script will add the video clip or the image to the timeline at the cursor location. Stay tuned over the next few weeks as we expand on this script. Please sign up at www.JETDV.com and subscribe on YouTube to get further notifications on when new videos are presented.